Hello there, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you're visiting today. In today's episode, we're going to be cooking a delicious chicken recipe that you can use for Valentine's Day dinner. We're going to cook chicken piccata, and when you eat this delicious chicken, you will feel that you're eating at a very nice Italian restaurant. If this is the first time that you're visiting my channel, I'm Jacqueline Marie, and my channel is all about home decor, cleaning, lifestyle, shopping, and more. And I would love that you pause this video to subscribe to my channel. So let's go ahead and start cooking this delicious and easy chicken recipe. Okay guys, let's go ahead and start cooking this delicious recipe. And look who showed up at the kitchen to see what's going on. Please give a big thumbs up to Stella. I have all the ingredients out, and I'm going to leave the list of ingredients and instructions in the description box of this video. I'm going to start to take out all the chicken cutlets, and I'm going to season them with salt and pepper. I'm using Himalayan salt. After I season the chicken, I'm going to dredge the chicken in flour and shake off any excess of flour. I'm going to turn the stove to a medium-high heat, and in this large skillet I'm going to melt 2 tablespoons of butter with 3 tablespoons of olive oil. For this recipe I'm using unsalted butter. As soon as the butter and the oil start to sizzle, I'm going to add all the chicken to the skillet. I'm going to cook the chicken for 4 to 5 minutes, and then when it turns brown, I'm going to flip it and cook the other side the same amount of minutes. While the other side of the chicken continues cooking, I'm going to add 2 additional tablespoons of butter and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. When the chicken is all cooked, I'm going to remove the chicken from the skillet and place it on a plate. To the same skillet, I'm going to add the lemon juice, the chicken stock, and the capers, and I'm going to bring to boil. While mixing, also scrape the brown bits from the pan. Also check to see if you need to add additional salt and pepper to taste. And now we're going to return the chicken back to the skillet and simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're going to remove the chicken from the skillet and place it on a platter. And now we're going to add 2 additional tablespoons of unsalted butter and mix vigorously. When the butter is all dissolved, I'm going to pour all the sauce over the chicken. And my friends, there you have it, a delicious chicken piccata. I'm going to garnish it with some parsley. You can accompany this dish with al dente angel hair spaghetti, and it will be delicious. And my friends, this is the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed cooking with me today. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can continue watching all these free episodes. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and I hope to see you next time on Jacqueline Marie Living. Have a happy Valentine's Day.